Alright, so we're gonna be starting this hair with this pattern. We have two sides to this braided extension. One is longer and the other is shorter. So this side, which is the shorter part, is the one I'm going to be using to roll this hair inwardly, as you can see. And hey guys, thank you for stopping by. If you're seeing me for this first time, hi, thank you for stopping by, and please don't forget to subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by, and please let's dive straight into the video. Alright, so as you can see, I just fondled in and I cross over to the other side. Okay, so as usual, focus on the tips. Okay, so I said today let's try something new. Alright, so we are doing this round twist for a cornrow today. So today guys, we are trying something new, so let's see how it's gonna turn out at the end of the day. So this is it, so let's watch closely and learn. I hope you are flowing to this extent. I hope you are getting what I'm doing right here. So this is basically twisting around, but we are using it to make a cornrow. So it's a kind of picking the hair actually, and fondling it in and going around with the extension braid. Alright, so focus, just be focusing on my hands, and you're gonna see what I'm actually doing, and you're gonna follow up. Guys, you need to try this braid on. It's not really vibing on this dummy, but try it on hair, like real human hair. You're gonna see how beautiful it's gonna come out. Okay, so take a look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't this giving? So, and you know, one thing about this is that it's gonna hide your hair so well. You know, this dummy hair is always like this. So if you didn't get from that one, let's try one again. Trust me, you're gonna get it right on this one. So watch closely again. I know you can do this. Watch closely. It's just beautiful. You can actually do this with wool as well. Today I'm just using braided extension, and you can equally use you can equally do the mouth tiny, maybe just to achieve a tiny beginning. You can do a little Ghana braid up there just to achieve a tiny. It depends on what you love. Okay, again, you can still at the end of the hair, the mouth, should I say the hair? Okay, when you get to where the hair stops, you can actually coil it and leave it there. It depends on what you want. Okay, so come on guys, we need to try something new, and I think this is vibing, this is giving. So let's try it. Alright, so this is what I thought of and said let me share with you guys. So let's continue, keep focusing. You can actually add extra braided extension in case you run out. So this is how you do it. You roll in like this and twist round. Trust me, it's gonna look exactly the way it is. There won't be any show up of adding, if that makes sense. So this is it. So you can make this length as lengthy as you want. So when I'm done, I'm gonna be dipping it inside hard water to make it fall down, but I'm gonna do that off camera because I don't want this video to be that lengthy. So but guys, it's giving already. If it is beautiful on this dummy, then what about human hair? All right, thank you guys.